In Tennessee, the at-fault driver's insurance, called the liability insurance, is where you first seek compensation. I'm Harleen at Labrum Law. Tennessee's minimum insurance requirement is $25,000 per person. Unfortunately, 1 out of 5 drivers in Tennessee do not have any auto insurance. If the negligent driver does not have insurance, and we also check for assets, then you seek compensation from your own auto insurance policy under UM, which is uninsured motorist, or UIM, which is underinsured motorist. This should not raise your rates. If you have questions, DM, text, or call Labrum Law.